The most important way to ensure that your LLC or corporation will protect your assets in a lawsuit involves one simple process: company maintenance. If you have an LLC, corporation, limited partnership, S Corp, or any other state-registered entity, you can't afford to miss this video. There's this big misconception out there that simply setting up an LLC or corporation is all you need to do for asset protection. After all, you paid your fee to the state, you got a piece of paper with your company name on it, which you probably stuffed in a drawer somewhere, and then you're done, right? Well, that's not how it works. Your LLC can only protect your personal assets if you take specific steps to keep your company separate from you and your personal assets. You must treat your company as a completely separate entity. And the best way to prove that you and your company are separate entities is by doing company maintenance. Company maintenance will help you avoid costly mistakes and conflicts, keep you out of lawsuits, help you win in a lawsuit, and at the end of the day, it's what makes your company legitimate and gives you asset protection. And the best part is that it doesn't have to be an expensive or frustrating process. In fact, it can be done in just a few simple steps through our law firm's maintenance program. When working with our firm, an experienced business attorney will take care of everything for you. And it's only $150 a year. We will notify you when it's time for your annual meeting, give you an outline of questions to address during your meeting, give you step-by-step guidelines to ensure your company is not making fatal mistakes that could jeopardize your liability protection. Make sure your annual report to the state is filed on time to keep you in good standing. And we will draft the necessary documents and keep them organized for you, so you'll have everything you need organized and ready to go to prove that your company is legitimate and separate from you if threatened with a lawsuit. The best part is that because we're going to take care of all the technical stuff for you, you'll be free to do what you do best. Focus on growing your business and making money, knowing that your LLC is maintained properly and is always ready to protect you. So, check out the information below and get started on your company maintenance today by working with a licensed business attorney to take care of you and your company. You never know when a lawsuit might arise, and your hard work is worth protecting. So protect your assets, protect your company, and get that peace of mind knowing that your company is properly maintained with the Supernus Company Maintenance Program.